Do you have a sweet tooth but are concerned about blood sugar spikes? You're in luck. We have some fantastic alternatives that allow you to indulge without the sugar crash. The first is stevia extract, derived from the leaves of the Stevia rhabaudiana plant. It's an incredible sweetener, boasting a sweetness level up to 300 times greater than sugar. But don't worry, stevia has a zero glycemic index, which won't raise your blood sugar levels. It's an ideal choice for anyone managing diabetes or looking to reduce their sugar intake. Next on our list is monk fruit extract, harvested from the monk fruit, also known as luo han guo. This natural sweetener is packed with microsites, which provide its delightful sweetness. Like stevia, monk fruit extract is calorie-free and has a zero glycemic index, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite treats without the fear of blood sugar spikes. Whether adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, baking, or simply craving something sweet, stevia and monk fruit are excellent, guilt-free alternatives to sugar and artificial sweeteners. Embrace these natural options and enjoy your sweets without worry.